Hello again, guys. Sadly, because of bad weather, we couldn't make any reviews for you. But today, as you can see, we have pretty awesome weather and we are ready to make a new review for you today. Just watch it. This VAZ-2102 has been totally copied from a model Fiat 124 familiar car, and it has been assembled in 1972 in the Soviet Union city of Taliati. Also, I would like to tell you that this baby is a rear-wheel car with a 5-gear transmission, and it reaches 100 miles within 33 seconds. Wild, baby! Now, guys, let's talk a little bit about the characteristics. This is a 5-door hatchback. 1, 2, we are checking the doors. 3, 4, and 5. This is the huge trunk. But don't try to put in an elephant. It won't fit. Considering the fact that this car has a full-size trunk and a roof racks, it was a dream of each Soviet man. He could take her mother-in-law, her belongings, put them over here, put your mother-in-law over there, and bring them all together to the countryside. An interesting fact, guys. When this car was born, each of its owners proudly pronounced the name Zhiguli. Unfortunately, guys, today I'm not going to ride this wild baby. But in case you don't want to miss that incredible show, how I'm gonna ride it, subscribe to our channel and watch it. And for today, we are finishing our short review. See ya! Bye-bye!